In this video, I'm going to show you how to curve text in Figma. Although Figma doesn't have a native feature to curve text directly, you can easily achieve this effect using a plugin. To start, first select the text you want to curve. Then, navigate to your toolbar and look for the Actions icon. Depending on the version of Figma you are using, this toolbar could be at the bottom of your screen or located at the top left corner. Click on the Actions icon, then choose Plugins and Widgets. In the search box, type Arc and look for the Arc Bend Your Type plugin. Once you find it, click on it and select Run. This will bring up a preview window. First, you can zoom into the preview. Next, you can adjust the Bend Strength slider to control the amount of curve in your text. Dragging the slider will allow you to fine-tune the amount of bending you want to apply. After adjusting the curve to your liking, click Apply. Once applied, Figma will create a copy of your text with the curve effect, leaving the original text unchanged. The curved text will appear as individual letters, which can make it harder to edit. However, if you need to change a letter, you can double-click on that specific letter to modify it. For any larger changes, simply go back to your original text and run the plugin again. That's how you can curve text in Figma using a plugin.